In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background music using Kdenlive. It's a relatively straightforward process, and by the end, you'll be able to enhance your videos with the perfect soundtrack. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Kdenlive project. Make sure that all your video clips are already arranged on the timeline. Having your video elements set up first will make it easier to synchronize the music with your footage. Next, you'll need to import your chosen music file. You have a couple of options here. You can click on the Add Clip or Folder button, or you can simply drag and drop your audio file directly into the project bin. This flexibility allows you to work in a way that suits your preferences. Once your music is imported, go ahead and drag and drop the music clip onto an audio track in the timeline. Make sure this is below your video clips to keep your project organized and easy to navigate. It's helpful to think of the timeline as a canvas where each element needs its own space. Now it's time to adjust the length of the music. You might notice that your music clip is longer than your video. What you can do is drag the edges of the audio clip so that it matches the duration of your video exactly. This ensures a neat and professional finish without any awkward cutoffs or silence at the end. Next, let's make sure the volume is just right. If you find that the music is either too loud or too soft, you can easily adjust the volume level. Right-click on the audio clip, then select Insert an Effect and choose Volume. This will bring up a gain slider which you can use to control the volume. It's important to strike a balance so your background music complements, rather than overpowers, any original audio in your video. To create smooth audio transitions, Kdenlive offers a handy feature. Hover over the top corners of the clip until you see a circle handle appear. Drag this handle inward to create a fade in at the beginning or a fade out at the end. This helps your music transition gracefully in and out, enhancing the overall feel of your video. Finally, take a moment to preview your video. Listen closely to ensure the background music aligns well with the original audio and that the transitions are smooth. This final check will give you confidence in your editing before exporting your project. And that's it. You've successfully added background music in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.